Hi everyone, I'm here today to walk you through an exciting tutorial on how to install Internet Download Manager, or IDM, and how to use free redeem codes to get the most out of your downloads. Let's dive right into it.
At first, we have to open our browser and search for Internet Download Manager. Then click on the first link. It will take us Internet Download Manager's official website. After this, we have to click Download Internet Download Manager. It will download soon. After this, we have to search again in the browser. Search IDM Free Trial. Then click on the GitHub website. Scroll and go to the IDM Trail Reset latest version. Then go the asset and download the first zip file. We have downloaded our files. Now our target is to install them. First, we have to install the Internet Download Manager. Double-click on the file, and it will start install. Accept all terms and condition, and click Next and finish the installation. A Chrome tab will open. Close it now. Go to your browser and click Remove from Chrome. We will add this extension later. And open IDM Trail Reset. Extract the file anywhere. Here I have the file already, so I click Replace. Now open IDM Trail Reset. And click Register IDM now, and click OK. Wait for some time. Your IDM is registered now. Click OK. Go to Trail Reset and click Automatically. Wait for some time. Then click OK and close it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Go to your IDM software and open File Location. Scroll down and search for idmgcext.crx.
Artlist.io.
Go to your browser and go to Extension and click Manage Extension. It's very important to turn on developer mode. Now go to your file and click the IDMGCX and drag it to your browser extension and drop to install. Now click Add Extension. Our installation has completed. Now we can use it. Close all tab and enjoy downloading free.
Hello Blender people. Today I'm going to show you how to create some kind of...
Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.